Chapter 2. Let's rock.
Can you rock with me? Oh, baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of where'd you go? Girl, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island.
Hello my girlies, it's your girl Tiera.amber and welcome back to another video. Today's video is sponsored by Ft.Subella hair. They sent me their 8x5 24-inch curtain bang body wave glueless wig. Of course, the wig came in a silk bag, which is perfect for storage, and it also came with a whole bunch of different little gifts such as nails, wig cap, an elastic band, and even some fake eyelashes. As you can see, the company does provide you with some Velcro rollers for the bang area. The hair is pre-curled and the lace is pre-cut. Moving on to the construction of the wig, there are 3 wig combs and an elastic band to ensure that the wig is secure on your head. Now, my braid down was so worn out and tired that I didn't even feel comfortable showing it on camera. But just make sure you have a flat braid down and that all your hair is out the way. I used some edge control and just brushed my edges back so that everything is nice and protected. I put my stocking cap on and applied some makeup just to help my lace look as natural as possible and also to protect your hair as well. I also apply makeup to the actual wig itself. As you can see, this 8x5 closure or frontal they have on here is amazing. I just love a wig with a good parting space. I do so many styles and play around with so many different things. Overall, the application of this wig was pretty easy. I just threw it on and yeah, that's all. Me being me, I am very extra, so although the lace was really good, the lace was very transparent. For me, I felt like the hairline was a little bit too thick for my liking, so I had to go in and plug it. Personally, I would not wear this wig straight out the box just like this. I feel like it can be done up and look a little bit better. I did brush out the curls and redo them. I did pluck the hairline some more, and you're going to be able to see the before and after because I feel like it made a huge difference in the install. I hot combed, I used my wax stick, I curled. Yeah, after all of that, I really did enjoy this wig. I think the quality is really good. It was very, very thick. I believe this is a 220 density wig. So the hair was really, really thick. It was really, really long. And it actually already came with a little bit of layers, but of course I put some more in them. Overall, the quality of this hair is really good, but you are going to have to do a little bit of TLC to make it look like mine. I'm going to stop yapping and let y'all enjoy the process of me just doing this wig up. Like always, please leave any questions, concerns, comments in the comments down below. I always try to get back to y'all. All the information about this wig, as well as the link, the prices, any sales they're having for the holidays, will be in the description box down below, so go make sure you check it out. There might even be a coupon code for you all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. We are on the road to 1K. We're nearly there. So if you made it this far into the video, I would just like to say thank you. And if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing to me. I will really, really, really appreciate it. I will see y'all in my next one. Thank you for watching. Mwah.
Just to know you, so I come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? Really having it back on that. Take you there, show you something, give you more than words. Really having it back on that. Take you there, take you there. Won't you fill me up till my cup? overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, say our time we're making up time. The time you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't let you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We can have it, that's all that take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We can have it, that's all that take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We can have it, that's all that take you there, take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you.
Yeah, murder egg, murder egg. Chapter 2. Let's rock, let's rock.
Can you rock with me? Oh, baby, not stop with me. Can you take it to the top with me? I just wanna